Joke. Yup. Do you think we need to indicate free again in the button somewhere, or is it says free at the top, but other than that, it doesn't. So maybe we should just. We don't need to beat it over the head constantly. Free, but maybe there. Free download, free instantly, or free download, free instant download, free instant download. Maybe that's better. Yeah. Cool. Yep. Good.
I'll
I
show
think.
you this one because I put the form links. This is
Okay.
the only form that I've created because I wanted to show you it before
Got you.
I made it for all of them.
All right.
Let me see. So for this one, click this little pop-up.
Yep. That's cool.
Test. I guess it's not published, so it might not go through, but I'm gonna try it.
Could we change it to company email?
Yeah.
That way we filter out any Gmails.
And then it takes you straight to it after.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, that looks good. I just got the HubSpot form.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just got the email. That's a good sign at the very least that it's working.
Let me see where the fun. Guess checklist.
I'm thinking that while you do that, let me just. All right. So can I give you some copy edits? All right. So top one, your dream guests are waiting. Sorry, it's been a while since I've seen the copy, so inevitably. And then we could probably drop the H2 to either an H3 or a maybe even body tag. I'll give you what it is and then you decide. Use this checklist to discover exactly who they are, what they crave, comma, what they crave, comma, and how to make your wellness facility irresistible. Maybe we can drop that down to body. That looks good. All right, let me just see once again. All right. All right. So... What do you think about this one? Know them, full stop. love them, full stop, keep them, full stop.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, cool. That looks great. And then stop throwing marketing dollars at the wall. Full stop. In light of what Mr. E said recently. Instead, build by yeah. I like that. What do you think?
Yeah, I like that too.
All right, and then let's have a look at these three things. Pinpoint. Let's see. So, yeah. All right, I'm gonna change the 3 checks.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do find your dream guests without the guesswork. Solve the mystery. Not sure about that one. I got a couple here. You can let me know what you like. Solve the mystery of what motivates bookings. And then alternatively, discover what makes them say, and in quotations, AHH.
I like that one because it's more into
Same. The solve the mystery is not doing it for me. Actually, it sounds like a fucking. What's the show?
Yep.
Pluto. The one where they murder mystery one.
Like the kids show or the
No, there's the film, the one with Daniel Craig. Knife. Fuck it.
I'm not sure.
I don't remember. Anyway, it doesn't matter. All right. And then the third one, keep them glowing and coming back. Maybe keep them glowing, comma, and returning. Do you like that?
Yeah. Let me do a little thingy.
Can we let's swap maybe the emojis a little bit so that they're not checks? What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. So we can do find your. What about crystal ball for the first one? Instead of the finger paint. You could put either the nail polish one for the second one, or like a person getting the massage emoji. That one. Let's make it like I feel even silly saying it out loud, but let's make it a colored person emoji.
Oh, for the middle one?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna
Does it
sound
not
bad
let
when
you?
I say that.
Damn, HubSpot
Hold
slacking on
on.
the fucking diversity.
If I put it into Google, I can copy paste.
Yeah, it's not that serious either, man. But yeah.
See.
Yeah, that's cool. Cool. And then maybe sparkle star thing for the excuse me, for the third.
Like that, or the like little.
The little
Other
sparkle ones, like the three. That one. Yeah. Or it could also be the star with the sweet. That's cool, man. I'm fine with that. You?
Yeah, I like the I like this emoji.
Me too. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. All right, maybe we can bold 15% off. I actually forgot that we offered that. That's good to know.
Oh, that didn't do anything. Well,
And put the maybe with res, comma, hour. Hmm. Download free. Serve now. Yeah. Okay. What's inside the checklist next?
do you mind if I check the mobile version real quick for
Yeah,
this?
for sure. Yeah, yeah.
Let's double check. Cool.
Correct.
Sorry, real quick.
That's fine.
Awesome.
Boxes. All right, so we can put first one, guest profiles. Might as well kill the marketing jargon in it. And then quickly define who your quickly define who your ideal guests are and what makes them tick. And then next one, we can do buyer instead of buying. And then we can put in this one, yeah, uncover the frustrations your guests want solved, comma, before they even ask. Yep. And then customer journey insights. I think that sounds all right. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's fine.
All right. Let's change the preferred communicate back their decision. Oh yeah, maybe we can change this one actually. I'm sorry. See what short-term wins and long-term dreams keep them coming back, or identify, not see. Identify. In fact, we can remove what? Identify short-term wins and long-term dreams. And maybe just keep it as that. Or we can remove keep them coming back. What do you think?
Yeah, I like that.
All right, cool. Let's kill preferred communication channels. It's a bit dead. We can put influencers and motivators. And then underneath, understand who shapes consumer decisions and how you can speak their language. Ugh. Understand who shapes guest decisions and how to speak their language.
Mm.
Oh, you did it.
And who shapes the decisions?
We could also just remove the how to speak their language if we want. Understand who shapes guest decisions. Understand who shapes guest decisions and motivations, maybe.
Maybe a different word since we have
Yeah, that's true. Understand who shapes
drivers and what drives them.
and
Oh, that's cool. I've never actually clicked this little button.
oh, yeah, let's see what it gives. Do
Should
the
we
original one. Do the original one and see what. So it'd be and how to speak. Yeah, and then let's see how good. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah.
And then you can just. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, damn. All right. Okay, HubSpot. I see you,
That's
bro.
cool.
That is
Okay.
like. See, we're not lazy marketers, so we do the hard work, but we start working smarter. All right, great. And then maybe we could put in. I'm okay with conversion optimization. Maybe the byline can be discover the types of content and messaging your guests respond to most. Yeah.
Cool.
I think the fifth one is good to me.
Cool.
What do you think?
I think so too. I'm just gonna.
Maybe no more wasted. Oh no, that's good. You have the wasted ad spend. Yeah. Just results.
Ooh, it's too much. And then let me check mobile.
Looks good.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll probably want to actually anyway, why you need a dream guest checklist. I actually forgot about this headline. This is pretty good. Yeah, I thought I don't mind this. Actually, you?
I don't either.
Maybe just
The
kill
only-
the. Oh yeah.
Sorry. You go.
Yeah. I was gonna say just kill the A after the fix. The fix, question mark, data driven buyer persona. Zzz, with an S at the end. And you were gonna say?
Nitpick is ideal members, and then this ends with
Yeah. Oh yeah, we should keep using the guests. Most wellness brands struggle with ineffective marketing because they don't fully understand their dream guests. The fix. Data-driven buyer personas. That's free checklist. We'll walk you through the framework we use to help premium wellness brands. Maybe facilities instead of brands. Their ideal guest.
Oh, I just realized that is the same as
Oh, got
bottom
you.
section.
I'm feel like I like it more on the white to shorten that section, perhaps? What do you think?
Are you saying like get rid
So
of?
kill it. So removing it from here and leaving it where
Mhm.
you have it in the white.
And then
You just go to the top for me whenever you're done with this one. I just want to see the first headline real quick. I don't like this headline to be maybe at the top actually.
to the very top.
At the very top. I kind of think I want to swap it.
So the
So
this little
marketing
section?
without buyer personas, question mark, might as well play the lottery. And then swapping the top heading. Just seems a bit more catchy for me.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one, move that down.
Here, actually, before I do that. Do you still want this?
No, we can put might as well play the lottery and then move this. Actually, we don't even need to move that because we have that in the white box there. So it could just be might as well play the lottery
Okay.
and then download free checklist. I always forget the, I think in a sentence is lowercase, right?
Yeah. It just always feels weird though.
It does always, it looks weird even to my eyes. Let's just capitalize it, yeah. Fine, who's going to tell us off? Not Rosa. So Lauren, I don't think we should have the capital T and then we're going to spend 60 minutes talking about
Yep.
why a T shouldn't be capitalized.
I'm surprised you don't know this by now.
Yeah, right. Oh, it's common English, Lauren. Come on.
Really? Oh, I thought that you were saying something completely
No,
different.
no,
right
no.
there.
I'm imitating the. Yeah, yeah. We're going to hell.
I think she's going first. It's okay.
Yeah. That is joke. That would definitely go to hell. All right. All right. This looks good.
Just
Yeah.
gonna see what it looks like if it's put up.
Oh yeah.
there.
I think it looks better. Innit?
Yeah, I think it
Yeah.
balances out better.
Yeah, me too. All right, perfect. Let's leave that then.
And
Oh yes, got the.
oh,
And then
I
we can
deleted the
remove.
wrong one.
We can remove the might as well play the lottery.
Okay. Oh, why won't it? There we go.
Perfect. Oh no no no! I think you had it right the first time. Your dream guests are waiting. Because we
Oh, I
swapped.
did.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And then you're gonna kill might as well play the lottery. And then most wellness facilities struggle with ineffective marketing because they don't fully understand their dream guests.
And then
Maybe they don't fully understand their dream guests, let alone how to attract them. It might be too long. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. That balances out well.
yeah.
The fix, data-driven buyer personas, blah, 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 blah. Convert their ideal guest. Great. I think this looks solid.
Sweet.
I think it would be guest singular, right? How you prefer convert the ideal guest? Yes.
I think that's what, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Who's this for? I'm trying. Checklist is for wellness facilities. The reason, just for your reference, why I keep clarifying that is because an e-commerce, a wellness brand, could be misconstrued as an e-com brand. And since this is going to be going specifically to spas and anti-aging facilities, I think it's just a bit more tailored. Techniques for facilities that. Should we maybe reduce this to 3 checkboxes instead of 4?
I think that would be fine.
All right.
Do you have a preference for which one to kill?
Let me tell you. Might rearrange some of these. To attract high quality leads. Maybe want to attract high quality leads without guessing. Shortens it up. Oh, all right. We can revert to the. Oh no, yeah, you can do that. Struggle to refine their messaging. I think that's a good one. Maybe the third one could be prioritize brand. I'm just thinking about this out loud. Can you put the previous one, because I might take bits from it. Prioritize guest experiences across every touch point. Boom. Nice. I have myself on the back.
Is touch point one word or
1 point? One. I think it could be interchangeable. I generally do 1.
Okay.
Prioritize guest prioritize memorable. Yes. And the 4th one can get killed. Yeah. Cool. Exclusive offer.
Just gonna do the quick thing while we're here. Oops.
I'm inclined to say with this one, oh shit, there's more sections. I thought, let's have a look at the rest of the sections.
Yeah, this one had one more section than the ebook one.
Is there another one? Ready to attract and convert your
it's just like a little CTA.
All right. I'm inclined to say ready to attract and convert your ideal guests, ? Your dream checklist is just 1 click away. Instant download, 15% off. Branding, your off 15% off. Plus 15% off. Instant download plus 15% off your branding workshop. And then we can kill 0 fluff, 100% value. I feel like I want to use the same CTA that you have up top. Download plus claim 15%. Maybe remove the off. And then delete the section above entirely. This one. All right. I am good with that. Let's do a one little slow scroll. Yeah, I think it's good.
Sweet.
What do you think?
I think so too. I like it without the extra section.
Same. And actually, the emojis in the middle section made a big difference for me, at the very least, just
Yeah.
looking at it. Maybe I think internally we can avoid using the check marks as part of brand guidelines and using cool.
You want to change out these ones?
Might be a bit too much, isn't it?
Yeah, I think since we had...
Yeah, we've got them up there. And also, let's be real, man. Most people ain't even going to make it to the bottom of the landing page. You're gonna
Yeah.
make it the first 2-3 sections. So
That's true.
that's where I think it's most important to put our best real estate, which I think we have.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So we got the hero. Yeah. Know them, love them. Sneak. Yeah. That's good. That 50% off is good. And then what's inside the checklist? Does it? Just genuine question. Does it look long? This section right here, the what's inside,
I was thinking about that earlier.
seems a bit much, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's no way to get these to, like, I can't do 2 in a row on mobile.
Should we kill it to 3?
Yeah, that would work.
All right. I'm gonna say let's kill the customer journey insights because that's a bit generic-y.
Okay.
I like the influencers and motivators one, so I'm inclined to go with that.
Keep the influences.
Yeah, and delete the conversion, I feel like. I don't mind the no more guessing.
Okay. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it's kind of like stands out as well.
And then, yeah, that's like a lot better.
So much better, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a good call. All right, perfect. Yep. Maybe can we go
This little thing. Ew. Okay, go on.
I was gonna say, can you go up to where we mentioned the branding workshop? Maybe here we put download free plus 15%.
Yeah, just to make it super.
Yeah, it's a bit pops in it. Should it be plus save 15%?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Cool. All right. That looks good to me.
Sweet.
All right.